Hello YouTubers, Toby Till here with Rocky Mountain Snow MX. We are here to provide you with all of your snow bike related technical videos and also any parts or accessories you may need for your snow bike. Feel free to give us a call, 720-263-7533. All right, so this is where we're going to this is where we're going to put the spindle onto the ski. The new ski rubber is a lot thicker than the old ones. If you ever put a 2026 on, definitely, or 2025 or earlier on, it's easy. Spindle goes right in. Myself, customers, definitely struggling with the 2026 and how much tighter it is. This is what I've come up with. I use the MTN.TOP wheel kit. You can buy this accessory from me to transport your snow bike around. Plus, it makes this really easy. I set it up with the factory strap, and then I also have another really large 2-inch strap that I equip up underneath. Slide the ski in underneath the two straps. Set it down in place. Lock it into place, take my spindle, set it in after, give it a little lubrication, get my bolt ready to go, and then I'll go ahead and put the strap on. So this strap, I'll go ahead and orientate from the side over the back 45-degree, and I'll have it further back on the ski dolly so that it's kind of pulling in a rearward motion. As I ratchet down, it's going to pull over to the ratchet side. So you want to start with the spindle just slightly towards the other side. So as you start ratcheting, it'll suck down. And you can move it around like this as you go, as your strap's pulling it over. And then once you get it over, you can look down the bolt hole, right? Give it a few more tugs with the strap. A little adjustment forward to back so that your bolt holes line up. There we go, bolt holes lined up. Now you can take your strap off. I find that turning the entire ski assembly around in here works better for me. So, let's lift this up, put the ski in backwards. And this is just because of the way that the strap pulls on the spindle and the ski. Move this strap all the way back so that I can see through the hole. I want to watch for my end of the bolt and bushing to line up with this side. And it drops down in, goes all the way through. Undo all your straps. And bolt is in, spindle's on. You're ready to go ahead and put the nut on. And tighten things up. All done.
Hello YouTubers, Toby Till here with Rocky Mountain Snow MX. We are here to provide you with all of your snow bike related technical videos and also any parts or accessories you may need for your snow bike. Feel free to give us a call, 720-263-7533.